Francisco, let's face it, right? Sometimes life is hard. Life is challenging. Life is hectic.
Yes.
Yes.
100%.
And at the end of the day, sometimes you just want to come home and open the door to your castle.
Yes.
Well, you're in luck because right now we're standing in Castle Village. The views, the light, the space, it is everything that you need in a one-bedroom home. Welcome home to this jaw-dropping large one-bedroom apartment overlooking the Hudson River in prestigious Castle Village in Hudson Heights, with western views from the living room and southern from the bedroom. This sun-drenched apartment is in excellent condition, with a large living room and a separate dining room area. The primary bedroom has a private dressing area that can double as a home office. The professional-grade kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances make meal preparation effortless. High ceilings, lots of closet space, and herringbone parquet floors throughout. Historic Castle Village is a full-service building with a wide range of amenities. Doorman, 24-hour security, storage lockers for a fee, laundry facilities, health club, children's playroom, community room, garden, huge newly tiled roof deck, parking garage, and 7.5 private acres of park. This terrific home is minutes away to nearby playgrounds, parks, restaurants, shops, and the A Express train. So don't hesitate to make this palace in the sky yours. Please reach out to me, Kelly, or
Francisco
of the Deadmon Menendez team, and we will make sure we get you in.